place you guys can see me better. Yeah. Yeah. I want you guys to comment in the section below if you guys have more videos you guys want me to do. Subscribe and subscribe. I'll make this YouTube video. Like my old son, you can have a lot of big videos. I made a big one, but I sold it for $20. $20. It's pretty good. I had it. This time watch this one. That's right here. Okay, so this is not a homemade slime. This is a store-bought slime I got for my birthday. It's kind of good, but it's pokey like that one. There's balls that I just showed you. There's unicorns, and there's glitter everywhere. It's a good slime, seriously. So, you guys really... These things always fall, so when they fall, I find them, I just put them in the blue big slime because it's good. So we're going to go put this one away. Back to the blue big slime. Okay, guys. This slime is indoors. It's good. It's good slime. I love it. You heard that one hours ago. Wait, because I added a bunch of all my other slimes. I kind of added to this one to make this one really big. It's like my biggest slime. Some people like to poke their slime. Some people poke their slime with one hand. Poke it with kind of all of my fingers. No, but I really kind of poke it like 4 fingers. It's really, 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 really stretchy. Whoa, look at that. And then I kind of light it back. And then I'm going to try to do that one more time. It might mess up. So, yeah, let me make it foldy kind of. Alright, ready? Whoa. Whoa, that's really heavy. Alright, ready? That was gooder. But, alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.